Welcome to the channel, Craft Space. Imagine creating a painting using only tiny dots of color, millions of them. This mesmerizing technique is called Pointillism, and today we're diving into its magic. Let's explore the famous artists behind it, their stunning masterpieces, and how you can try it yourself. Pointillism is a painting technique where small, distinct dots of pure color are placed next to each other. From a distance, your eye blends them into new shades, just like digital pixels today. But this technique started over a century ago. French artist Georges Seurat pioneered Pointillism in the 1880s. His most famous masterpiece, A Sunday Afternoon on the island of La Grande Jatte, is made entirely of tiny dots. It took 2 years to complete. He carefully studied color theory to create optical blending, where your brain mixes colors instead of a brush. Seurat's friend, Paul Signac, took Pointillism even further. He used larger, brighter dots and developed a more expressive style. His work, The Port of Saint-Tropez, captures light and movement in a way that almost feels modern. This technique wasn't just a trend. Pointillism influenced Impressionism, pop art, and even digital pixel art today. Many artists, from Vincent van Gogh to contemporary digital painters, use a similar dot-based approach to create vibrant, dynamic works. Want to try Pointillism? Start with a simple image. Use cotton swabs, a fine brush, or even marker dots. Choose bright, contrasting colors and let your eyes do the blending. The more dots you add, the more depth you create. Pointillism may take time, but the results are breathtaking. Would you like to see a full tutorial on how to paint in this style? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing art techniques.